For days, For days.
Uy.
For days.
Right. We connect you, make the URL. Okay, the correct. Mbula binaka. Turang na marama na dorbo kina nga nelewan. Mbula binaka na sema tumana mataga ni kuwa. Bono da bandu indui. Oni ando mata bulu makina. And programa mga rotaki sa ikuan na Ouch Palagi Show. And beito ko ni binaka na BSP. What okay? I think Punjas. Promise of
quality. Don't binaka. Hey, mbulu binaka, everybody who are joining today. Today is a very fun day. Today is a very good day. This day is a very last 2 days of the work material. Even though you are happy, even though you are alive, even though you are done, even though you are good, you still remember that something very happiness in your life is breathing. When you atterricio. Esophagus. And everything is working. You need to put your hands together and raise.
And let me see. Last night it was like a bit hot,
Right.
Hot, eh?
Why hot?
No, because I was sleeping the night.
With who?
And with me. And I feel like very hot, eh?
You sleep alone.
And this morning, and it's very cold. Eh?
Right.
I don't know why, because I look outside. I saw the.
Who else in the house?
Me, myself, me alone.
That's why you are very cool. Meli na kalebu yan rabinaka bata ni moto kuriwale yan rabinaka stileba yan rabinaka. Very tough morning. Even though we are because the weather is changing. Long time rain weather windy.
Before our grandfather used to they fish like different type of weather, and as people know, we are fishing a different type of weather.
Why?
Yes.
It's
changed 3 times, maybe 4 times.
Okay.
Who else come in your mind when the weather change?
Ooh, my pet.
All right.
The dog.
Not the dog.
Bula binaka bata ni moto. Kore wale an binaka bina wale blessed mamai. Amina silendua meli na the level bula binaka blessed Thursday.
Coming soon.
Kena.
1, 2, 3, go. Wait.
Proud sponsors of the Fijian Drua, KBSP, Unsecured Personal Loan.
Misigan na mataka ni Benga Rabinikuha and VDFM. Yawa baro taga bikemba. Sa ko na Ouch Palagi Show and ko ni binaka na BSP kay Punjas, the proud sponsors of the
Fijian Drua.
Hey, ba ando sigari bikem ni sa mutumay. Patala kina bikem ni sar chiko. Ano mataka ni ko tinay on imbitu bula binaka.
Aminya silendua still ever bata ni moto kuriwale and everything we have been joining today, even though we are still here in the wet weather. It's wet a long time ago. Sometimes sunshine, sometimes someone has to hang in clothes. But now we are thankful. We are Thanksgiving because of the windy. Some of us we dry our clothes during sun.
You dry your clothes during the
windy.
Yeah. Look there.
When the weather windy, good. No.
It's
Yes, no. It's a different story. When there no sun, no heat, if there wind, your clothes can dry.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, the Messi. There's a problem with this one.
Yeah, mentality error.
Hey, John Kumar, my Bararabelli Road. Love Radio VTFM.
Yes. We love you too.
Good morning, John Kumar. Born Robo family. Bola binaka. Nandragi ko ang amendara mo isulong kata-kata ka muna.
Yes. We need cardigan.
Right.
If you don't have cardigan, what should you do?
I saw you this morning with a napkin.
Napkin. It's a baby blanket.
Baby blanket.
Yeah, when I come inside, I see
a napkin.
Yes, madalo na. Pero kaya naman tanggalin ko kutsik mo, kung makasar nga ng napkin, kaya na dyan na babi, dyan na tanga.
Tanga naman nila.
Okay, Samuel, na italan ako katang sila matagalin.
No. It was Deme's story. And this scenario, or this thing, happened to all of us. All of us when we were kids. When we were kids and we were thinking, those people, they are talking from the radio.
Yes.
And sometimes we have to take up the
Radio.
the battery.
Dekat the radio mewah.
Even some of us
Yes.
used to throw the stone at the radio
Yeah.
so that it can burst
Yeah.
and see what inside.
Right.
ni.
Iya. Kamera kila-kila.
Yeah.
Rumah cuma lang may nabos mo na rito.
Yes, that's the main one.
Yeah.
And this kid from Telebu,
Wow!
Julum,
Yeah.
julum. True,
when he
true,
was
true.
growing up,
Dina.
and he was thinking,
Satu tol-tol dan marami ko turun din jadi berbuat tanam.
and he was thinking,
Yeah.
this young fellow from Telebu, from Telebu,
Yeah.
and he was thinking, hey, and he was thinking,
Yeah.
hey, these people, they mad.
Yeah.
They're silly.
Era nang bos na rito.
Yes,
Yeah.
these people from the radio, inside the radio,
Yeah.
they mad.
What's
They're
wrong with
silly.
them?
What's wrong with them?
Mm.
These people can stop their mouth. They keep on talking.
Like you.
After that, they sing.
Yeah.
And where they are singing material, they bring from,
Yeah.
Lang seri.
because they sing.
Kita.
And the
Singing.
guitar there, sometimes there's no guitar there.
Yeah.
We had
Drum.
the drum,
Yeah.
the piano,
Yeah.
the flute, the everything.
They talking. They don't even go to band.
Yeah, they're talking. I don't know. Maybe they don't brush their teeth. They not wash their face.
Yeah.
They
24/7.
24/7. They didn't even bath. What happened to these
Apa
people?
kasama ni Wendy Bonula untuk bayar?
No. This one from Telebu. The parents, they have to explain,
Yeah.
And the problem is the parents themselves, they didn't explain the matter of the radio.
Nandong.
Nandong.
Nandong ko sa
Right.
And no, because today
The product.
I lose my proper English.
Okay. Right, boy.
And then this happened.
Yeah.
And one day,
What happened?
the father
Yeah.
come to Suva
Yeah.
and bought another radio.
From Luka.
Not from the Bukaluka. Yeah. Otherwise, the Bukaluka gang will butrak him. Yeah.
May boleh na rito mo.
Yeah. Come to Suva
Right.
to buy a new radio.
All right.
When he back home
Mm.
and on the radio,
Mm.
same time when on the radio, this kid
Yeah.
dead. These people, they
Jump from this radio
Yeah.
to this radio.
Alam mo ba,
the same, they did. The same people I had from that radio.
Papa.
The ones you take it away.
Yeah.
They're still here. Why they still here? They should do.
Same people.
Yeah, the same people. What happened? And after that,
Yeah.
the father made do.
Oi.
Silly, eh?
Mm.
The father can't explain.
Yeah.
Oh.
The father should explain. Just explain to the son.
He going to the farm.
Yeah. After that, he take off to the farm. Heading to the farm.
Right.
When he was there, and this fellow was looking at the radio. Whole
The new
of that
radio.
day, the new radio. Whole of that day, and that new radio.
Yeah.
You know how much the father bought?
But
It was $1,000.
Wow.
Hey.
The big
The big radio.
Rachel.
Lebu, the big radio.
Boy.
The Bra radio. Yeah. Same time, he poured the water
Right.
inside one of the big pot.
Right.
The big pot number 50.
Oi.
No, number 70.
Yeah,
The big pot.
Kurni Matagali, kurni Matagali.
Yeah, the big pot for the province.
Yeah.
Province, not the district, the province.
Oh, the province.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Wait.
And he take the radio
Yeah.
and he put it inside.
The new radio.
New radio.
Oh, Julum.
Nataran na rito mo kwa boleh ni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bilo man kurliw.
Put inside
Sanga.
with the water full.
Kaya pinakatoka mi bandungo. Boom.
Oi.
Yeah, with the
Milk,
water.
milk.
No. That was not his idea.
Oh.
To make the basement do. No. And he put this radio inside.
Yeah.
And after that,
Right.
the father was there in the farm.
Yeah.
And you know that program for VTFM like that day.
Yeah.
Nah, baka rin mamala-mala.
Like today.
Yeah, like today.
Right.
Like today, what happened today?
Yeah.
And that way long ago,
Yeah.
and that program was going on.
Yeah.
And the father, in the farm. The baka rin mamala at 1 o'clock.
Right.
Same time the father ran from there. Ran from there to the house. When he
Yeah.
come to the house,
Yeah.
and he was like expecting
Yeah.
the radio to be blast, boom, boom, boom.
Who's in the house?
The son.
Oi.
The son only was in the house.
Ah.
When he come to the house and look for the radio was not there.
Yeah.
And he asked the son, hey,
Saan?
where's the radio?
Uh.
And the son said, dead.
Yeah.
They inside there. Where? the pot. Why you put the radio in the pot with full of water? Dead. They have to go and bath. At least they have to go and bath. And the man said, no, they can't bath. And the son said, Daddy, I'm so sorry. Because they didn't bath, didn't brush their teeth. So at least they have to bath.
Anjir, bikin menina sar cing mai. Ya na italo na sar ngai. Talo te ko cing apa?
Demesi,
Mai.
you have to say something.
No,
You have to say something about this televu. No, I don't want to bangara gang to this one.
We love the Telugu people. We love the Telugu people.
Okay, start from today and go. You don't call me Telugu.
No, I never not to complete my answer.
Yeah?
Because as Jing, I'm from Kandabu.
See?
Why want to join me?
See?
Okay, I'm going back to Nole.
Let us
No, kamu. Sar cumai en mataka ni kuah en ouch palagi so en metakon in BSP matake Punjas the proud sponsors of the Fijian Drua. Muna ni mga sarawat.
Hey, thank you so much, Tamika.
Right. Tinay
Mata, Matagali.
Miss Bure,
Miss Mabu.
Bulbul na kaneur tambo Paula Tikoidina, Rusty J bulbul na kabina bulib sar cumai en mataka kabina kaniko. Talita kan italo no?
Hey, before we leave,
right.
I just want to dedicate a song
Right.
to just say hi
Yeah.
to one of my smallest younger brother.
All right.
Sa Penelton Balabu.
How tall?
What's wrong with him?
It's small. My brother is the number is big.
Yeah.
The age,
The size.
the age is big, but the size is big, but the size is small.
Landong secondary school.
No.
Hey, to all of the, I want to say something, to all of the people, the children from Nandongo Central College,
All right.
Holy Family Secondary School, All Saints Secondary School. That's they will be only in one zone.
Right.
Though, because myself, OB from Nandongo Secondary School, OB from Holy Family Secondary School, OB from All Saints.
Right.
And I can say to one school,
Right.
but to all of you school,
Right.
kamu only binaka.
Yeah.
Educate. Mamini andong mula.
School,
Darpi.
all the best for the zone.
Yeah.
And that's all.
Congratulations.
Kita ba rin bilang kasi ito na live na siri ko bay kim to na vitamin may muktaben vitamin Elia na buwal na rumo.
Pinabali mo na sar tumay. Yaw mi kagal mula.
Sam Drua tadi go.
Hey, hamar name dem iska.
Ano ka tadi ba ni sama day?